making cupcakes in the air fryer. Hey guys, today we're making cupcakes. So I tried it in the air fryer the other day for Christmas. They came out great, guys, but you can do it in the oven. I'll give you the directions for the oven. Anyway, what you're going to need is 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of regular sugar, white sugar, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 1 cup of water. And that's going to make it. I may make icing, or you could just use store-bought frosting, whatever you like. You cannot frost them. They'll taste just as good if you're watching your calories. So here we go. Let's do this. Okay, guys, so I started with my sugar, 1 cup. Then I'm going to put in my flour and mix that really, really well. Then we'll put in the butter. And then very slowly, do not pour the whole cup of water in because your batter will be too watery. You're just going to pour the water, pour the water, and stir, and here we go. So that is the self-rising flour and the sugar. My bowl was a little wet. So once we incorporate that real good, I melted my butter in the microwave. I don't know, you can't see it. There we go. 1/4 cup. So we'll put that in after we mix up the sugar and the flour. And you could do this with a, probably should have did it with my whisk, but I'm just using this. We'll get it all incorporated. I probably should use my whisk. There we go. It's super fast to do that. And now we will start putting in the butter. The butter you could just pour all in. And then start mixing that. And then once you got that mixed up, we're going to start very little water. You need 1 cup, remember? And we're just going to start incorporating the cup of water so our batter does not get so watery at one time. Oh, now it's starting to get like battery. If you poured in all the liquid, guys, what will happen is you'll have water just flirting all over the place when you're trying to incorporate this. And then you just keep stirring until you're going to have a uniform batter, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, and if you could see, that's what your batter should look like. I'll actually take you in closer. so you could see what it looks like. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's all mixed. That's the consistency you should have. You're going to fill your cupcake. Now, I use silicone, guys, because I'm putting it in the air fryer. If you have regular cupcake liners, you could do that. Take a cookie sheet, put your cupcake liners, about 14 you'll need, and you fill them up, not all the way because it's self-rising flour, so it's going to rise. I don't know, 2/3 way full, probably. I'll show you what mine look like for the air fryer. So let's prepare those. So basically, guys, I am just scooping, and I fill it probably, I don't know, a little more than halfway. Like I said, I'm doing the air fryer. I made them the other day. They came out perfect. So that's basically how much I filled mine. I'll show you actually what they look like done. So I made my own cookie butter icing, but this is what they looked like. It was fine. They're really delicious. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this. I don't need more of them, but you guys might want to make this super easy. You could probably make this into a birthday cake. I don't even know, probably. Okay, guys, so I have mine in the air fryer. I did 12, 6, and 6, so mine are filled a little, really close to the top. Probably should do just a little less, but I wanted to get rid of all my batter, and I only have room for 6 each in each part of the air fryer, so mine make 12, this recipe, but if you put a little less, you get 13, 14, who knows. Depends how, you know, what size cups you have too. So you can make mini ones. You can make a whole ton of them. So now we're going to set up our air fryer. So believe it or not, this recipe took the same as like you would do in the oven. So you're going to bake it. You're going to put 350 and you're going to do 20 minutes. You're going to press start. You're going to wait. Check it like 15 minutes just to make sure because every air fryer is different. But this worked perfect for my air fryer. So, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So we have about 4 minutes left. So just to show you, look how beautiful. So yeah, so because I overfilled mine a little too, you're going to have to take the whole time in the air fryer. But guys, if you have a lot of baking to do and your oven's being used, this is a great way to make the little extra add-ons in the air fryer. Now I've showed you how to make icing a few times on my videos. I actually had this left over for something, so I'll probably use a little of this. I just took my sugar and I put it in my blender, and I made some powdered sugar because I ran out, so you could just put some powdered sugar on it. Maybe I'll get the other video and I'll link how you make icing here, or at least I'll put the recipe. So okay, to make icing you're needing 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can make the powdered sugar also by just putting a cup of regular sugar in your blender and blending it real fine. It comes out to powdered sugar. Then you're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of your favorite extract. And if you want lemon, you could just put a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and it would be great. So you're going to start out with a tablespoon of either milk or a tablespoon of water or even a tablespoon of orange juice. And then you're going to mix this. And depending on how thick you like it is how you're going to add a little more each time of liquid. And that's it. I only used the tablespoon of liquid, but like I said, you could add a little more if you like it a little thinner. All right, guys, so here's our cupcakes. They're still cooling, and like I said, you want to let them cool like all the way before you try to take them out of your cupcake things. If you have paper ones, you're going to leave them. If you never used silicone before, guys, I want to show you how easy, now that they're cooled, that these babies come out of there. Oh my God, and they're so soft. And that's it. Like, then you wash these guys, you reuse them. Best thing they ever thought of was making these silicone things. Because they're just like, look how easy. Now that they're all out, look how gorgeous. You can do whatever you like with them. So I think actually what I'll do is I'll put some icing on them and then the powdered sugar. I don't know. So I iced them with whatever icing I had left, and then when I ran out, I just put powdered sugar on them. Oh my gosh, wait till you see. They are delicious. You do want to put something, but you don't have to go crazy, guys. Ugh. Try not to do what I just did. Even with just some powdered sugar. There you go, guys. Yum! Want to try one? I'm going to open one up for you so you could see what it looks like on the inside and how, like, soft it is. I mean, it's just like cake. And because we did it in the air fryer, the top is like, it's like a muffin top. It's just so good. Yum! Anywho, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.